What's up, tech fans? Today I'm going to talk to you guys about how eBay has become duplicitous and scandalous and is doing things that are just not right. And this is both from a seller's standpoint and from a buyer's standpoint. If you're a seller, you've probably noticed that they've had this new thing called manage accounts where they brag about how they're saving you money and all this stuff. That is very duplicitous. And the way that they're listing products on there is very scandalous. So let's talk eBay and let's talk tech. Are you building a new computer or just upgrading an old one? If so, then chances are you need a new Windows 10 key. And CD key sales, they've got you covered. Buying has never been easier, and prices for Windows keys are under $20, and there's even additional discounts. All you need to do is go search for the software that you're looking for, add that software to your cart, create an account, and when you go to checkout, enter the code TT18 to get an additional 20% off.
Now, let's frag some.
All codes are guaranteed and you'll be up and gaming in no time. So first off, let's talk about eBay from a buyer's perspective. So I know that many people out there go to eBay, they try to find the best prices on stuff, especially when they're talking about used video cards and used hardware and things like this. But there's been a trend lately on eBay, and this is not just my opinion, this is actually a known fact now between lots of people selling on eBay, because it's just become really a scandalous situation. Now, here's what they're doing. Basically, when you go to search for a product on eBay, the first thing that you're going to notice is that all the prices are very high. So what eBay is doing right now is they're showing people all of the highest price stuff first. The lower price stuff won't even come up in a search engine unless you buy something. I'll give you an example. Last week, I bought a CD. I couldn't find the CD anywhere else. I finally found it for $35. I bought it. 10 minutes later, I went back on eBay, found the same exact CD for $20 and even cheaper. So when you first go out and you look for stuff, all they're going to be shoving in your face is the most highest price stuff, because that way eBay can make the most profit off not only you, but off the person that's selling, because they're charging selling fees now, we'll get to that in a minute, that are much higher than ever before. So not only are you getting screwed, the person selling is getting screwed as well, because if someone's selling their stuff at a cheaper price, they're not even going to be in the normal search engine. So you really have to dig and dig and dig and try different parameters in order to get the best price. And that's just ridiculous. eBay used to be about saving money, kind of like an online swap meet, but it is no longer that anymore. eBay has become a very, very greedy organization. They try to milk the absolute most out of the people that are selling, and they try to squeeze the absolute most cash out of people that are buying. That is completely, utterly scandalous behavior. And I'm not really happy about it whatsoever, and neither are a lot of other people. So now let's talk about something else, and this is from a seller's perspective. eBay just rolled out this whole new plan that they call the Managed Payment Program. Managed Payment Program, my butt. Now, let's just start off with why they did this. They try to tell you that they did this to save you money. That's right, to save you cash. But that's not what it's about at all. At all. This is really, really duplicitous behavior, because what they've really done is, because PayPal separated from them, they didn't want to deal with PayPal. And so they just wanted to completely screw PayPal out of the picture. Now, they did this under the guise of saving you money. Because they're like, oh, you're not gonna have to pay any more eBay fees and yada, 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 yada. It's gonna save you money. Let me tell you, it was the biggest bunch of horse shit I've ever heard in my life. The day after I changed my account to a managed account, I started noticing that all of my fees and everything were just out freaking outrageous, way higher than they were before. And when I went and looked at the amounts and everything, and I started complaining to eBay about this, they told me, oh, well, look, you're saving 0.28%. 0.28%? So what is that, like 28% of a penny I'm saving? So you're not saving any money as a seller because of this. What they've done is they've forced you to put the money directly to your bank account. They hold your money now for a few days. And this is even a more screwed up situation. If you're selling expensive items, you're having to pay for the shipping of these items out of your pocket and out of your PayPal account, even though you can't get the money put to your PayPal account from eBay. Right? Doesn't make any dang sense whatsoever. So all they really did was cut PayPal out of the picture, raise their fees, try to make it sound like they're doing you, the seller, a favor, but they weren't doing you a favor at all. It's completely duplicitous behavior. I'm not happy with eBay right now whatsoever for a lot of different reasons. I think that they're screwing people left and right. Be very wary of what's going on there. Also, another thing, I buy a lot of CDs. And if you're a person out there and you buy and collect CDs as well, you'll notice that the prices have jumped up just crazy, because if you go to Amazon, you'll see a CD selling for, I'm not even joking. I sold a Fastway CD. They had it listed on Amazon for $900. Okay, I'm not a greedy. I sold the CD for what I paid for it, $19.99. That's what I sold it for. You know, I'm not that type of person to greed out. But what's happening is, though, is a lot of these eBay guys are now saying, oh, well, over on Amazon, it's selling for $1,000, so I'm gonna charge $1,000. And it's completely asinine, it's stupid. Nobody's going to pay $900 for a music CD. I mean, you'd have to be nuts. I collect CDs, and I'm just telling you right now, I don't care if it's the most rare, solid gold, gonna wipe my butt and cook for me CD. I'm not paying you $900 for it. And this is another part of eBay that's really, really screwed up. A lot of people are basing their high prices off of whatever these extraordinary prices that are going on over on Amazon. Amazon's a whole nother video. I'll talk to you guys about that soon. Let me know if you want to hear about that, because I've got some things to say about them and what they've done as well. But the bottom line is this. If you're going to go to eBay and you're going to start buying something, don't just take the first search engine results that they throw at you, because they're going to throw at you the absolute most expensive stuff that they have. And you can even do an experiment. As soon as you buy the expensive item, you'll be able to find the same item that you just bought for much cheaper minutes later. Why is that? Why is that? It's scandalous. And it's really kind of making my stomach cringe every time I think about the crap they're pulling. And if you're a seller, guess what? You've just been conned and screwed as well, because they told you all these lies about, oh, we're gonna cut PayPal out and save you money. Yeah, they saved you 0.28% of a penny. Big savings, right? Yeah, my rear end. But that's my take, that's my rant. Let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of you guys do buy your computer parts on eBay. Tell me if you guys have had similar experiences. The best thing that you can do, though, is don't accept those first search engine results. Keep searching, type the name in differently, look in different areas. I found a CD just yesterday that was $399 on all their pinchy frickin' search engine things. I typed in it a little bit different, found that same CD, listen to this, $29. Yeah. So that's the kind of BS that's going on. You're getting screwed coming in, you're getting screwed coming out. And honestly, I think a lot of people should start vetoing eBay, and I honestly wish somebody else would come out with a different service to sell on. I know other friends of mine have started their own direct website to sell stuff. Maybe that's the solution, but for right now, I'm done selling anything on eBay because their fees are just outrageous and stupid. And as far as buying there, when I buy there, I'm gonna make sure that I do my absolute damnedest to make the search engine work for me and not work for them. I'm Elric. You guys have been watching Tech of Tomorrow. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Not really too much links or anything for this down below. You guys all know what eBay is, and so there's no links down below. But if you do like my type, do you like my type? I am pretty cute, right? Yeah. No. If you like my take on things, hey, I'd love to see you subbed here, but when you sub, make sure you turn on that notification bell or you'll never know I'm making videos. Also, if you don't have Amazon Prime, I have a link down below. You can support the site for absolutely free by just downloading that link, trying Amazon Prime for 30 days. You can cancel it after that. Doesn't cost you a penny. We also have Patreon, and for a single dollar, you can support Tech of Tomorrow and help keep me on the map. So peace out. We'll see you guys back here for more tech here on Tech of Tomorrow.